All right, hey guys. All right, so I'm getting ready to head to. Thank you. These are my good friends here, so I'm getting ready to go get me some my meal replacement. So I'm on my way to Family Nutrition in Petersburg. So see y'all in a little bit. All right, see y'all guys later. All right now, thank you. All right, y'all, what's up? It's your boy Hood, you know what I'm saying? I am at Family Nutrition. Family Nutrition. I am here in Petersburg, Virginia. And your boy is hungry, you know what I'm saying? I'm hungry and I'm going to get me a meal replacement. Yeah, and so somebody asked me, they said, man, you look like you're losing a little weight. Yes, so since this journey, going back into veganism, I have lost 60 pounds. I lost 60 pounds, and that's been since January-ish, you know what I'm saying? So, and that's really not even doing much exercise and stuff like that. That's just pretty much, I switched up my eating habits and, eating clean and everything, and definitely giving credit to Family Nutrition. I try to get here as much as possible and get my shakes. So if y'all ever, trying to get, do like a meal replacement, Herbalife, and they have Herbalife centers in different locations. So you can definitely check to see if they have one in your area. But yeah, so let me go ahead and get my meal because I'm hungry. All right, guys, I got me a pomegranate mango tea. This is delicious. This is amazing. So what I ordered is the apple fried ice cream meal replacement. This is the smoothie. It's got the caramel in it, vegan friendly. So definitely want to try this, y'all. This is, again, I'm at Herbalife. This is Family Nutrition in Petersburg, Virginia. You can definitely go online and check to see if you got any other locations in your area for Herbalife. There are plenty of independent or probably independent distributors. So yeah, definitely. So I'm gonna keep drinking my smoothie. So. All right, what's up, y'all? So, hey, I got my man here. What's your name? Darius is here, and he's a first-time Herbalife customer, so he's giving it a shot. And what did you order?
Strawberry cheesecake crunch.
Strawberry cheesecake crunch. And what kind of tea did you get?
He got peach mango with the
peach mango. Got the peach mango tea. And so, how do you like it?
It's good.
It's good.
Real good.
Would you refer it to other people?
Yes, I would.
All right, sweet.
So, Family Nutrition.
That's right. That's right. So, hey, look, y'all heard it first. I'm telling y'all, I'm a big believer in Herbalife. It's your boy Hood, and I'm gonna check y'all in the next video. All right, peace.
Crash Promise land in the palm of my hand. Bad little flex, wanna play by the coast. Carry the torch, I'm way up, it's litty wherever we flow. I came from the cold, used to rest on the floor and stitch up my wounds, was born a soldier. Flipping the struggle, I'm taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you.